Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of operating systems to uncover what Linux can do that Windows can't in 2024. Now, before you Windows diehards hit that unsubscribe button, just hear me out. We all know Windows is super common, user-friendly, and has tons of software. But Linux has been quietly stepping up its game, offering some serious advantages that Windows just can't match. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or just curious about the world beyond Windows, stick around as we explore the unique capabilities of Linux. First off, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the penguin in the server room. Linux is open source, which is a fancy way of saying the code is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. This means endless customization possibilities. Think of it like building your dream PC. With Windows, you get a pre-built system. It's nice, it works, but you're kind of stuck with their choices, right? But with Linux, you're handed a toolbox and a giant warehouse of parts. You want to change the entire look and feel of your desktop? No problem. Want to swap out system components? Go for it. You can even create your own Linux distribution tailored to your specific needs. It's like having a computer that's truly yours, inside and out. Okay, let's talk security. Now, Windows has made strides in recent years, but Linux has always been known for its robust security features. Think of it this way. Windows is like a giant castle. Looks impressive, but with enough attackers and with enough time, vulnerabilities can be found and exploited. Linux, on the other hand, is more like a village of interconnected houses. Each house represents a different part of the system, and they all have their own security measures in place. So even if one part is compromised, the damage is isolated, and the rest of the system remains secure. Plus, Linux's open-source nature means that security flaws are often found and fixed quickly by the massive community of developers. It's like having thousands of security guards constantly patrolling the village, keeping an eye out for any suspicious activity. Chapter 3. Cost effectiveness. Free as in freedom, free as in beer. Let's be real, price matters, and Linux is the king of affordability because it's free. Yep, you heard that right, absolutely free to use, distribute, and modify. No licensing fees, no hidden costs, no subscriptions. It's like finding a $20 bill in your old jeans, except it's an entire operating system. This makes Linux an incredibly attractive option for individuals, businesses, and especially for large organizations with tons of computers. Think about it. Schools can use their limited budget on actual learning materials instead of expensive software licenses. Startups can invest their precious capital in growth and innovation. And you, my friend, you can finally afford that new graphics card you've been eyeing. Chapter 4, Performance Benefits, breathing new life into old hardware. Now, let's talk performance. Windows, especially newer versions, can be a resource hog. You know what I'm talking about. Your once snappy computer starts to feel like it's wading through molasses. Linux, on the other hand, is known for its lightweight and efficient design. It can run smoothly on older hardware, giving your trusty machines a new lease on life. I've seen Linux breathe life back into computers that were practically on their deathbeds with Windows. It's like swapping a tired old engine for a finely tuned racing machine. Plus, Linux's performance benefits extend to server environments where speed and efficiency are crucial. So whether you're reviving an old laptop or powering a high-traffic website, Linux can deliver the performance you need. Chapter 5. Diverse distributions. There's a flavor for everyone. One of the coolest things about Linux is the sheer variety of distributions, or distros as we like to call them. These are different flavors of Linux, each with its own strengths, weaknesses, and target audiences. You have Ubuntu, known for its user-friendliness and massive community support. Fedora, geared towards developers and enthusiasts who want cutting-edge software. Mint, designed to be a drop-in replacement for Windows with a familiar interface. And these are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a Linux distro for practically every use case and skill level. It's like walking into an ice cream shop with 1,000 different flavors. Go ahead, try a few, experiment, find the perfect Linux experience that suits your taste. Outro Linux versus Windows, the choice is yours. So there you have it. Linux might not be the first name that pops into your head when you think of operating systems, but as you can see, it has a lot to offer. From customization and security to cost effectiveness and performance, Linux delivers a compelling alternative to Windows. Now, I'm not saying you need to ditch Windows completely and switch to Linux overnight, but hey, maybe give it a try. You might be surprised at what you find. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Let us know in the comments what you love about Linux or if you're considering making the switch.